Ever wondered why some people always seem to have their money working for them, while others are stuck working for money? In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn the tables and make your money work for you in 2024. Unlocking the path to financial freedom. Stay tuned to learn practical strategies, investment tips, and smart financial habits that can transform your financial future. In this video, you'll learn how to set clear financial goals, create a budget that works, save effectively, and invest wisely for passive income. We'll also explore building multiple income streams and maintaining a positive money mindset. By the end, you'll have a solid plan to make your money work for you in 2024 and beyond. Financial freedom means having enough passive income to cover your living expenses, giving you the freedom to pursue what truly matters to you without being tied down by financial stress. It allows you to make choices based on what you want to do, not what you have to do for money. Achieving financial freedom is crucial because it reduces stress, provides more security, and allows you to make life choices without being limited by money concerns. It means you can focus on what you love, spend time with family, and pursue passions without worrying about financial stability. Setting smart goals means making them specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Start by defining a clear and specific goal, like saving $5,000. Make it measurable by tracking your progress. Ensure it's achievable by setting a realistic amount you can save monthly. Keep it relevant to your financial objectives, and set a time-bound deadline, such as saving $5,000 in 1 year. This approach keeps you focused and motivated. Short-term goals are financial targets you aim to achieve within a year, like saving $1,000 for an emergency fund. Long-term goals take several years to reach, such as building a retirement fund of $500,000. Both types of goals are important for a balanced financial plan, helping you manage immediate needs while preparing for the future. To create and stick to a budget, start by tracking all your income and expenses. Categorize your spending into essentials like rent and groceries, and non-essentials like dining out. Set limits for each category based on your financial goals. Regularly review and adjust your budget to stay on track, and ensure you're meeting your savings targets. To save effectively, automate your savings so a portion of your income goes directly into your savings account. Cut unnecessary expenses by reviewing your spending habits and eliminating non-essential purchases. Prioritize building an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses, ensuring you're prepared for any financial surprises. There are various types of investments you can consider. Stocks represent ownership in a company and can grow in value over time. Bonds are loans you give to a company or government and earn interest. Real estate involves buying property to rent or sell for profit. Each type has its own risks and rewards, so it's important to diversify your investments to manage risk. Popular investment strategies include index funds, dividend investing, and real estate. Index funds allow you to invest in a broad market index, offering diversified exposure with lower risk. Dividend investing focuses on stocks that pay regular dividends, providing a steady stream of passive income. Real estate involves purchasing property to earn rental income or benefit from property value appreciation. Each strategy offers unique advantages and can be part of a well-rounded investment plan. Understanding and managing risks is crucial in investing because it helps protect your money from significant losses. By evaluating potential risks and diversifying your investments, you can reduce the impact of any single investment's poor performance. It's essential to assess your risk tolerance and choose investments that align with your financial goals and comfort level, ensuring a balanced approach to grow your wealth safely. Side hustles are a great way to generate extra income. You might consider freelancing skills like writing or graphic design, driving for a rideshare service, or selling handmade products online. Another option is to start a blog or YouTube channel on a topic you're passionate about. These side gigs can provide additional cash flow and help you reach your financial goals faster. Passive income sources can help you earn money with minimal ongoing effort. Rental income from properties provides steady cash flow if you invest in real estate. Royalties from books, music, or online courses offer earnings based on your creative work. Online businesses, such as e-commerce stores or digital products, can generate income through automated sales. Each of these sources can contribute to building long-term financial stability. Continuous learning is key to financial success. Make it a habit to read books, take courses, and stay updated with financial news. This ongoing education helps you understand market trends, refine your strategies, and make informed decisions. By staying informed, you can adapt to changes and keep improving your financial knowledge and skills. A positive money mindset is essential for financial success. Believe that you can achieve your financial goals and focus on long-term gains rather than short-term obstacles. Embracing an optimistic outlook helps you stay motivated, overcome setbacks, and make proactive decisions that drive you towards financial freedom. In this video, we covered essential strategies for making your money work for you in 2024. We discussed setting smart goals, creating and sticking to a budget, and implementing effective savings strategies. We explored different investment options, risk management, and building multiple income streams. Additionally, we highlighted the importance of continuous financial education and maintaining a positive money mindset. With these tips, you're well on your way to achieving financial freedom. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more financial tips and strategies. If you have any questions or need further advice, feel free to ask. Your experiences and inquiries can help others on their financial journey. So let's keep the conversation going.